We are pleased to show you the 2018 Acura RLX. The Acura RLX is a full-size luxury sedan that sets itself apart. Its interior is beautiful, spacious, big, light, and airy. The Acura RLX features elegant styling which gives buyers even more exclusivity luxury owners crave. You can't resist it and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, rain sensing wipers, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, power windows, tachometer, power steering. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.